Hey there, alchemists of the mind, it's Adam here. And today we're diving deep into the transformative world of Neville Goddard's imagination techniques. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of manifestation? Let's go. Imagine having the power to shape your reality, to manifest your deepest desires simply by harnessing the power of your mind. Sounds like magic, right? Well, according to Neville Goddard, it's not just possible, it's your birthright. Neville Goddard, a mystic and teacher from the mid-20th century, taught that our imagination is the God within us. He believed that by mastering our imagination, we could create the life of our dreams. And you know what? You are worthy of that dream life. Let's break down Goddard's philosophy into three key principles. 1. Imagination creates reality. 2. The importance of feeling it real. And 3. Living from the end result. First up, imagination creates reality. Goddard taught that what we imagine in our minds is just as real as what we see in the physical world. Your thoughts aren't just fleeting ideas, they're the building blocks of your future. Here's a quick exercise. Close your eyes and vividly imagine your ideal life. What does it look like? How does it feel? The more real you can make it in your mind, the more power you give it to manifest. Remember, you are worthy of abundance. Your life can transform, just like an alchemist turning lead into gold. You are the magician of your own reality. Next principle. The importance of feeling it real. It's not enough to just visualize, you need to feel the emotions associated with your desire as if it's already happened. For example, if you're manifesting financial freedom, don't just picture money. Feel the relief of being debt-free, the excitement of planning your dream vacation, the confidence of being financially secure. You are worthy of these feelings. You have the power to transmute your current reality into the golden future you desire. Lastly, living from the end result. This means behaving and thinking as if your desire has already manifested. It's about embodying your future self right now. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, start thinking and acting like one today. Make decisions from that mindset. Dress the part. Speak as if you've already achieved your goal. Practice these principles daily. Consistency is key. Remember, you're not just daydreaming, you're actively shaping your reality. As you embark on this journey, remember, you are worthy. Your dreams are valid. You have the power to create the life you desire. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our community of alchemists, and let's manifest an incredible future together. Remember, you are worthy. Your imagination is your superpower. Use it wisely and watch your world transform.